Now Dictate is available in more languages than ever. The list of languages you're familiar with is expanding. We're excited to announce that we're continuing to improve this experience and have added new languages to Dictate. Chinese Taiwanese,
现在我可以用我的声音的力量。
Hindi,
मेरे अपने शब्द, मेरे अपने विचार.
Korean,
나는 생각을 빨리 적을 수 있습니다.
Polish,
Daje mi to swobodę, aby naprawdę być sobą.
Portuguese, Russian,
Это делает меня более продуктивным и творческим.
and Thai.
และพร้อมใช้งานในทุกแอป Office
Dictate will default to your preferred language from your settings. To change it, select Settings, Spoken Language. Use the power of your voice in your language.